It off. Okay, cool. So in this video, I'm gonna be interviewing my client Cedric and talk about his experience in the program with Amazon and everything like that. So Cedric, go ahead. Like, how did you find me? Tell us a little bit about your story first.
Okay. Um, so my name is Cedric. I'm from Houston, Texas. I started off working in the refineries before I met Cynthia. Um, I ended up completing a job at the refinery in February. So after that, I was just online. I was on Instagram scrolling, and I see you pop up. So I'm like, okay, what's going on with this? So I started watching the video, and it was very interesting what you were doing. So I looked more into it. I got on YouTube, started watching your videos on YouTube, learned more about the business, and I seen you were doing Amazon FBA. So I was like, okay, um, I'm looking for something to do because I don't want to just stay at home and do nothing. So I'm like,
Hmm.
all right. So I looked into the business and said, okay, this is something that I think I could do. So I can, I mean, I got the time, I had the time at the moment. I had the money, capital ready, and everything like that. So, um, I just ended up reaching out to you because I seen I seen like how other people do the Amazon FBA, and I seen how you did it. Other people was DMing me and things like that. I was talking to people, but I just seen like I had a better connection with you, so I went forward with that.
Cool. So you've been in the program for about like 4 months. So
hmm
you started, I think you showed me your sales the other day. I think you started like from zero, or were you already selling?
Um, I started from like maybe like 10K in sales.
Okay. So you started with around 10K, and where are you at right now?
Right now I'm almost touching about 60K in sales.
Wow. Damn. So what changed? Like what did you learn from the program that you implemented right away?
Um, So what I learned from the program is basically just step by step how to run the business. Um, all the videos that you have in the classroom, I watched all the videos and I implemented everything step by step and just went out and just took action.
Right. So you told me like a couple weeks ago that you went to a supplier's warehouse. You went in person and you opened the account, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. What was that like?
And it's crazy. It's a crazy story because um I was just online searching like your Google search method, and I saw a couple of suppliers pop up, and I was like, okay, they're close to me, so let me just drive over there and see if I can talk to them and build a relationship with them. So I did that. I drove up and I walked in, and I talked to them and I met them, and like they really love me right now. Like
Right.
every time I go, they're like happy to see me. They know me by first name basis, and it's crazy because it was the first supplier I ever walked in that I got the account. So yeah, it's crazy.
That's awesome. So now you're just constantly reordering from them. You built that connection with them and you're able to scale your business just off that one relationship that you made with that supplier. That's amazing.
Yes.
Yeah. So like in terms of like me being like kind of like holding your hand throughout the whole way, what's been like the best thing, like the communication about the program and everything like that?
Yeah, I'll say that's number one. I had other mentors, maybe three or four, and I would say you are like one of the best ones because all my questions you answer them, you reply back, um, and it's very informative. Like everything, like I'm asking like specific questions, and you have the right answers for them to help me move forward.
Yeah, it's definitely helpful to have somebody that's been there and done it to kind of guide you in the right direction. So, what did you think about working with our team, like the assistants, the coaches, everything like that?
Um, the coaches are great also. They're very smart and knowledgeable on the Amazon business. They give great tips. They motivate you. They inspire me to keep going. They're great people, nice and friendly.
Amazing, amazing. So, where do you see yourself in like in Q4? Because right now we're in August, and in Q4, like, what's the goal?
Uh, Q4, I'm thinking about like turning it up a notch. I'm thinking about spending more capital, getting more products, and just going hard. Giving it everything I got. Because right
Right.
now my goal is to get to that 100K mark.
Yeah, you got this too. And you told me that you're pretty much full time now, right? You quit that job in February and you're doing this full time.
Yes, yes, I'm doing it full time now.
So what's that transition have been like for you?
Um, and it's amazing to be honest. Like I've been waiting for like opportunity like this for a long time, to leave a job and to be on my own and be able to like provide for my daughter, and just had a time to do things with her. Like I got time to read with her, I got time to help her with her homework, I got time to teach her things and show her how to swim, skate, all because of your mentorship. So I think this mentorship a lot.
Yeah, for sure. So, what would you say to somebody that's kind of been on the sidelines that wants to start the business and like join a mentorship like this one?
Um, you gotta just jump into it. If I could do it, I got neck tattoos, tattoos on my face. Like if I got all of that, I come from the trenches, in Houston, Texas. So it's like if I come the areas I come from and I could do it, I know anyone can do it. Just take the time and the effort that you got to put in, and you could build a real business doing this.
No, absolutely. For if anything else comes up, you need any of the can't even talk. If you need any help or anything, you've got me. You could always reach out, book a call, and we can get to it. So that's the interview with Cedric. I recommend that if anybody's kind of on the sidelines to reach out. Let's get to it. Q4 is right around the corner, and see you guys in the next video.